Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about long division. So in this situation, I will put about this one gone here and this one gone here, and now we have s to the power of 3, so that means in here we should have about s squared multiplied by s and s squared multiplied by number 5, so we have s to the power of 3 plus 5s squared. Next, we need to minus two equations together. This one minus this one, we have number 0. Negative s squared minus number 5, we have negative 6s squared. Next, I will put negative 6s gone here. So the next one we have negative 6s squared. So that means in here we should have about negative 6s. Negative 6s multiplied by s, we have negative 6s squared. Negative 6s multiplied by number 5, so we have negative 30s. Later that we minus two equations together. So negative number 6 minus negative 30, so we have 30 minus 6. Because negative with negative you got positive, so you have 24s. This one you got about 0. Now I will put negative number 20 gone here. So we have positive 24s. So in here there should be about positive 24. 24 with s in here. So we have positive 24s. And 24 with number 5, we have positive 120. So we minus two equations. This one you got about 0. Negative number 20 minus 120, we have negative 140. And now we can put this one like this. So we put this result gone here. And negative 140, that is about remainder over s plus 5. And now we put the integration in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have s squared over 2. This one we have 24s. And the last one we have negative 140. Ln of the absolute value of s plus 5. And then we put about c in here. This is the end.